How to unban Ome TV account. Well, their system automatically bans any user who gets numerous complaints within a short period of time. It helps identify violations that are otherwise difficult to detect. The system considers numerous factors that exclude accidental or unjustified bans. By using their service, you accept their current complaint procedures. Please remember that other users may also send complaints against you, which may lead to an automatic ban. So if you're also facing where your account has been banned, then what you want to do is, first of all, head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. In the source bar, search for Ome TV. Head over to the very first site, Ome TV Online Chat. The official page of Ome TV will appear. Scroll all the way down, and the option of Contact Us will be visible to you. Click on it. Now simply click on this mail. In order to protect your mail, click on Protect Mail Activity, and then click on Continue. This interface will appear. In the subject section, simply write ban, and then enter the problem that you have been facing on Ome TV. You can simply write the things that I have just written. Once you have written, click on the send icon at the top right corner. The mail will be sent to the Ome TV support, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can unban your Ome TV. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.